Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Suzuki Boulevard C50. This twin-cylinder 805cc cruiser just arrived with only 96 miles on the odometer. You heard me right. Beautiful condition, metallic or satin black finish, V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive, classic style cruiser. Come on by, make your midweight cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.